Start by attaching the hook strips to the floor mat. To do so, lay the floor mat face down and locate the two rectangular guidelines on the back of the floor mat. Clean the area inside the guidelines with the alcohol wipes provided and allow the cleaned area to dry for 1 minute. Activate the primer pen by crushing it near the black dot. Apply primer to the area inside the rectangular guidelines. One primer pen should cover both locations. Allow the primer to dry on the floor mat for 2 to 5 minutes. Once dry, the primer will appear shiny. You can also use a small fan to reduce the drying time. Once the primer is dry, remove the red backing from the hook material and apply the hook strip to the floor mat. Apply firm pressure to the hook strip for 30 seconds. Repeat this procedure for the second hook strip in the other location. To attach the loop strips to the floor, start by connecting the loop strips to the hook strips already on the floor mat. Place the floor mat in the truck and confirm it is in the farthest forward position. Outline the loop strips on the floor using a felt marker. Remove the floor mat and clean the outlined areas with the alcohol wipe provided. Once they're dry, apply primer to the outlined areas and wait 2 to 5 minutes for the primer to dry. Once dry, the primer will appear shiny. Detach the loop strips from the floor mat and remove the adhesive back. Center the loop strips on the outlined area and apply pressure for 30 seconds. Install the floor mat. Allow the adhesive strips to bond for 24 hours before removing the floor mat from the truck.